It is nearly gardening season and I'm so excited. Today I want to share with you something that will make your gardening season a little bit easier. So after that setup, I just want to give a few of my thoughts of the Vego garden elevated bed. So far, I absolutely love it. I love how sturdy it is, and I can tell that it's made with a lot of quality and care. I know that this is going to be lasting me a lifetime, and if I were to ever move, I know that it's something that I could easily bring with me. I love the storage capacity on the bottom where I can put all my nicks and knacks down there, and they're very accessible, and I can also be hardening off all my seedlings as I'm starting them here in the next few days. I did put in seeds into this raised bed, and working with the soil, planting those seeds, watering it honestly was so much easier than it normally is for me getting on the ground and digging and tilling. And it just makes me so excited to be able to use this instead of having to always be bending down. This makes it so much easier. When you water it, the drainage does come out the bottom along the sides. Because I just have pots underneath, it's not a big deal for me to have that water dripping down. And though I haven't been harvesting from it yet because it's just the beginning of gardening season, I can tell that that part is going to be a breeze as well. If I wanted, I could even roll this closer to my door where it's more accessible from my kitchen and have it just right out there. I would definitely recommend this product. I have loved using it, and it's just the beginning of the season, so I'm super excited to be using it throughout this whole season. Again, if you want to check it out, I do have a link down below specifically for a discount on this elevated gardening bed right here. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I will try my best to answer them, and feel free to subscribe. I'm always trying to come out with content to help gardeners and houseplant owners like yourself.